Last song. Sorry. I might come back a bit later. But yeah, this is my last song. Try and guess what it is. Jamie is one of my closest friends and he means so much to me, and he has gone through so much stress trying to get this night together, so can everyone just give him a massive clap? Honestly, he's done so well to get this together, and everybody needs to sign that thing on the website. Everybody needs to do it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you to Lucy again, come on man. 17 years old, Jesus wept. We're going to take 5 minutes and you're going to have to whip